Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a fan of Prime Video and own a Roku device, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to get Prime Video up and running on your Roku so you can dive into your favorite shows and movies without any hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything you need. You'll need a Roku device that's connected to your TV and the internet, and an active Amazon Prime or Prime Video account. If you don't have one, head over to Amazon's website and sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're set, power on your Roku and navigate to the home screen. Using your remote, go to the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. Type in Prime Video and select it from the results. This will bring up the app in the Roku channel store. Next, select Add Channel to download and install Prime Video on your device. It usually takes just a few seconds. After it's installed, open the app, and you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your Amazon email and password, or use the option to sign in with a code if you're on a shared device. Now the fun part. Once you're signed in, you'll see the Prime Video home screen loaded with recommendations, new releases, and your watch list. Use your Roku remote to browse categories, search for specific titles, or resume watching something you started. It's that straightforward. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the app not loading, try restarting your Roku or checking your internet connection. Also, remember to update the app regularly for the best experience. There you have it. Watching Prime Video on Roku is a breeze. Whether it's binge watching The Boys or catching up on classics, you're all set. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.